All right, y'all, we are here. We're about to eat. We got a 10-minute wait, so we're gonna shop around and look. Wow. Come on. Oh, wow, that scared me. Look. What do you think? Do you think it's real? No? Wow. Okay. You're scared. Don't be scared. Rah! Gotcha. Look at this, girl. Oh wow, it says hi, I'm Tracy Tree. Come on girl, guys, our tables are ready. Come put it back, let's go. We're gonna come back down, come on. Put it down, come on. Y'all, they always wanna shop. Look at the frog, Lay. Wow. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow. Oh, goodness. That looks scary. I don't know. Come, girls. Look at the monkey hanging over there. We're gonna say where they put us. Thank you.
Mommy, look at the moon.
Wow.
Mommy, look.
It's thundering, guys. Pretty cool. Wow. This restaurant is really cool. We're just waiting on our food, guys. Everyone's hungry and moody. After this, we're leaving. Like, I wanted to do a few more things, but they're very moody, so I think it's time to go home, guys. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Food is here. It's kind of dark in here, but the kids are already eating my food, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm about to dig in. They're still waiting on their food. Got some chicken tenders, spinach dip. They ate all of my mozzarella sticks. Some chimichurri egg rolls and some chips to go with the dip. Lele got chicken rice with fruit. Just rip it apart, baby. We have a quesadilla. It has little rascal burgers with fruit.
I don't like it.
She don't like it, but she hasn't tried it yet, guys.
You want some coleslaw?
Oh my, I got a fish basket with coleslaw. Don't hang it over, just put it there. Guys, we just finished lunch. We're having a little bite of ice cream before we head to the car. About to get on the road and head back to Utah. Are you guys ready to go back home? You want to stay in Vegas forever? at food like that. You guys, we have finally made it in the car. After eating and going to the Museum of Illusions, y'all, we had a great time. We love Vegas. We can't wait to come back. But now it's time to take this 6-hour drive back to Utah. We really hope you...
I'm going to get those.
Leah, shh. Can I end the vlog, please? We really hope you enjoyed the content from Vegas, y'all. Like I said, we had a great time. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you're new to our channel, subscribe. If you're already here and a part of the Moss fam, thanks for watching once again, and we will see you guys in the next vlog or the next video. Peace out. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.